much all the line I have right there. It's a big ass gar. I do not want to catch a gar. Because if this is all the line I have, then I'm dead. I'm dead in the water. Really wish I had more line than that. We got something, fellas. Yep, got ourselves a little sunfish. Now that ain't much, but it's food. He swallowed that sucker whole. Look at him. Like I said, it's one of the problems with this system is you don't have much leverage. So that's a freaking hook, man. Down through the lines, it looks like. So I'm gonna bash him on the head. Put him out of his misery. It ain't much. It ain't much, but we'll see if we can get another. And I ain't got nothing to hit it on the head with. Look at that crazy rock. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder on the camera, and I can see my face is beet red. And it's because, well, I'm getting overheated. I'm pushing myself. I need to take it down a notch and just chill out. Problem that is that I have to process this into fire. Well, into a tinder bundle. So this is what I was talking about earlier. This is a juniper, and I'm gonna pan the camera down and let you see what I'm doing. All I have to do is break this up into really fine stuff. It helps to have something to catch it, to catch all the little fibers and stuff. The viewfinder doesn't want to cooperate. But I guess the only thing I have right now is this rock here. So you just gotta work it up. You want to get really, really fine stuff. All this stuff down here on this rock, that's perfectly good. I'll dump that in the middle once I'm done. So the way I'm going to ignite this fire is with char cloth and flint, as well as my knife. Char cloth is carbonized, well, anything natural, cotton, you can even do it with wood. Tricky part is getting the there. Oh, I knocked it out. There we go. tinder bubble should have been bigger, but I think I can make this work. Fire. Like I said before, I don't know how the stinging or the bull nettle root will affect me, so I'm only gonna eat a small portion, and then if it doesn't affect me, I have a sustainable food source. They say it stays hard. They say you cook it like potato, which is pretty much what I'm doing. I mean, you can slow cook a potato, but they say that it actually just stays hard. We're gonna find out. I have a feeling it's not gonna be very good. It doesn't look very good. But I got the fish, which is essentially going to be my lunch, even though it's, I don't know, 4 or 5 o'clock. Smells kind of strange. Ah, I see. Tastes nutty. Not very good. A hint of like raw potato. But that's all I'm gonna eat of it. Like I said, I don't know how it's gonna affect me. So we'll see. By morning anyway.